Hello children, welcome to my channel. Today we'll learn with weeks names in English. This is black color. Sunday. Sunday. S U N D A Oi. Sunday. This is red color. Next, Monday. M O N D A Oi. Monday. Next, Tuesday. This is dark green color. Tuesday. T U E S T A Y. Tuesday. And then this is purple color. Wednesday. W E D N E S D A O. Wednesday. And then Thursday. This is blue color. T H U R S D A Y. Thursday. And then pink color. Friday. F R I D A Y. Friday. And Saturday. This is orange color. Saturday. S A T U R D A Y. Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday.